Hello everyone, I am Jewel, and in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to build a basic calculator using HTML and CSS. Okay, before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified on when I upload new videos to my channel. Okay, we are going to be using Visual Studio Code. Okay, right here. So Visual Studio Code is a IDE or better still development environment for virtually any language. Okay, so if you haven't installed Visual Studio Code, you can go to your browser and install it right away. So I'm going to open Visual Studio Code and create a new file to start coding. Okay, my Visual Studio Code is open right now, and to create a new file, you click on the file section at the top left corner and you click on new file. I'm going to select a language we are going to use. So you go right here and HTML. So hit Ctrl S on your keyboard so we can name our file. Okay, you can name it any name you want, but I would love to name mine calculator.html. Okay, so right in our body tag, we're going to add the onPaint show function in JavaScript. Okay, since we have added that, inside our body tag, we're going to write our div tag. And right in our div tag, we'll put an ID name. And we'll name it form. Okay, we'll create a form tag also. Okay, we have created our form tag, and I'm also going to create an input tag. Alright, so I've created our first input tag, and we are going to go ahead to create our second input tag. So go right to the next line, and I'm going to add the input tag. Okay, so I'm going to add our multiplication sign right here, and put a equal to and a single quote. So for this, I'm going to highlight it and Control C. Okay, I'm going to paste it. Okay, so I finished pasting it, and allow actually on VS Code to run your HTML code or to preview it. I recommend you installing an extension called Live Server. So go to extension bar and search for Live Server. Okay, once you search for Live Server, you get it installed. Okay, this is the list of my installed extension right here. Okay, there's Live Server, that's right here. Right here, this is Live Server. So you have to install Live Server. I've installed mine already, so just click the install button to install. So to use Live Server, you right click on your mouse and you go to the option Open Live Server. So you click on it, and it's going to start a port on your web browser. I set my default browser to Google Chrome. So mine is still loading. So as it's loading, let's do some few stuff. Okay, right below our last input tag here, I'm going to create one more input tag. Okay, so I think my live server is now ready. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, it has loaded already. So you can see the frame of our calculator. You can see it has the text area for showing the input of the button typed. I keep pressing one, okay, keep repeating on the text area. So I'm going to style our calculator and make it functional. And you can also rename your document to whatever name you love. Okay, so I want to change the values of this input type. So I'm going to add the numbers and the operators. So right here I'm going to add the number 2 and the number 3. I want to add our plus sign right here. I add our number 4 and number 5 and number 6, and right here I will add the minus sign. Okay, so right here I add our 7, 8, 9, and right there add our multiplication sign. So right here we add our 0 and this. Okay, that's our division sign, and add our decimal point. We want to add our and symbol. And so before I forget, we are going to copy this one more time and paste it right here. So we're going to change the value of this to equal to, so I'm going to repeat the same step right for this place. 2, okay, so I've changed the values of our calculator. So if we check your browser, you can see that the digits here changed. Okay, so our calculator yet is not fully functional. So we just need to change some few stuff on our HTML code. See, right here, I'm going to clear this off. Whatever. Okay, so right below this, our value here is going to be this clear button, that is CLS, and for one dot outside of value, value equal double okay. So we can add a little space here, and here put an ID equal clear. Okay, so I think if we run this, we're going to see a different output. Okay, there's our CLS sign. So let's try it out. And when we click our clear button, it clears all the imputed text, right, or imputed numbers. Okay, so let's try simple calculation out. Okay, so okay, we have to enclose this with the closing bracket. Okay, so let's try. Okay, we get our output. Okay, our calculator is fully functional. So let's go ahead and styling it using CSS. So go right after your title bar and input a CSS tag. That is your style tag. Okay, so I've added our CSS tag, and let's start forming it or styling it right away. So I'll go to the background color on our form. Let's try putting a yellow. As you can see, okay, let me just refresh my page. Okay, our background color is now yellow. Okay, you can add any color if you want, but I prefer using a yellow. So I want to add the background color. I'm going to add a border radius for making the edges of our box rounded. So I can simply set it to 20 pixels. Okay, we run our code, you see a different output, and you can see this black border line is way thicker and the edges here are rounded because of the border radius function. So you can style our inputs. You can also add the background color. Okay, here we have a light blue color, and I add the width. Okay, we have made our calculator bigger. You can see the letters inside are way bigger. Okay, you can also increase the size of our numbers inside the button. Okay, we can add the font size. Sorry. Okay, we can make it 30 pixels. You can see our text are way bolder. So I've already had the border radius. Okay, just a border. Okay, the edges of our button right here, I have added the red color. I also want to style our ID here, name calc. Okay, to style an ID in CSS, use your hashtag sign followed by the name of the ID. So I'm going to push hashtag. Okay, I'm going to set the width to probably, okay, let's try it 200 pixels out. Okay, you can increase it. You can also increase the text area. Okay, it's better like this. So added the width. You can add the border to it too. Okay, you can increase the font size to about, you can click on, can do simple mathematical calculations. You can also clear the text area. If you like, you can add the border radius. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll be posting more and more interesting video in my next tutorials. Please share to your friends who are interested and follow my page, rather follow my channel. You can join us on Facebook and on Telegram or WhatsApp, whatever social media suits you. You can also email our administrator via his email box. Thank you for watching.